are now at Omakase. Again, eating. Joseph and Tita Neng and Alex and Mama Josel again. Good menu. Yan. Hirashi and tuna sashimi. Hello.
Hindi siya na
Alin?
Hindi siya Crown Plaza kasi.
Ay, yung mga delikatesan?
Nag-overlook yung kami. Diba, ng birthday ko. Pasok-pasok na kami.
Oo.
Hindi ka pala pwede i-overlook ng ganyan. Matatlong balik yung sa ngayon eh.
Nang kahit kami nga attorney ko eh. This is tofu with lapu-lapu and fried rice. That's my lunch. That's the rock star who doesn't have a band.
Hello. So you're joining in?
And Joseph is eating chirashi. The chirashi. That is the ebi tempura with 2 balls. I know.
Dito na lang separate na.
Hindi na namin mag-isa. Marikina.
What? Business friendly?
Tsaka Muntinlupa. Tsaka Espinas.
Oh, because of the business park. Tempura butter ice cream.
Just like shrimp tempura.
It tastes like shrimp tempura, but it's ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream ko, may chocolate.